Good morning, welcome to today's show. Today I'm going to fix my window. Look at this. Here, move that. A little valet tray. So it's locked. It is locked. The handle is broken. It is in the lock position. So I've been reading online a bit. So here's a new one. And when it's locked, it brings that bar in there this way. So the bar is stuck up there. Let's try to get it down. I have a metal ruler. Okay, so this top is loose. Okay, see that? I got it. So look. Wow. I'm going to take you outside here. See that? See that? That's supposed to move and it doesn't. It's broken. Just need a couple of screwdriver and we'll get that out of there. 2 screws. Put that new one in. I always put 1 screw in a little bit. Or I put the second one. Let's try that. Take it out. There. It's a little bit tight. So I'll get some Allen wrenches. That's not, it's pretty good. It's nicer than it ever was. Oh, we're just going to leave that because that seemed reasonable. Alright, that does it. So that saved yourself a service call from the window guy. Actually thought I was going to have to drill this. I never do the top of the screens in case someone small is here and there's a fire, they won't be able to reach that. I just do the bottom. There, that's how you fix this broken handle. Well, it's been there for 15 years, almost, 19 years, almost 20. Alright, if that was helpful, leave a comment that's helpful for others. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Later.